Hi viewers, welcome to Shaker's Bio Factory for NEET. Principles of Inheritance and Variations with Aneuploidy Trisomy, example Klinefelter's Syndrome. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notification. Like, follow and share my videos to your students and friends to get more information in biology related to NEET and other national state level competitive exams. In this video, I am going to explain the trisomy Klinefelter's as an example along with super male characters. Trisomy. That means a trisomy is a chromosomal condition characterized by an additional of chromosome. The presence of an extra chromosome in some or all of body cells, this result in a total of 3 copies of that chromosome instead of the normal 2 copies is called as trisomy. So a person with trisomy actually have 47 number of chromosomes instead of 46 because one of the abnormal gamete which consists of 24 chromosome, if it fused with normal gamete, so the total body cells gets 47 number of chromosomes. Additionally, one extra chromosome is present instead of 46. The additional chromosome, it may be autosome or allosome. The extra Y or X chromosome can affect physical development, behavioral and cognitive functioning along with common physical features. It may include tall stature, lack of secondary pubertal development and small testes is called as hypogonadism, and delay puberty development along with breast development is called as gynecomastia in late puberty. One of the example for trisomy, it is Klinefelter syndrome. So Klinefelter syndrome is a genetic condition in which a boy is born with an additional or extra chromosome X. This condition, it is seen only in male and males are frequently affected with Klinefelter syndrome. So instead of a typical XY chromosome, in human being, especially in male, they consist of one additional X chromosome that leads to XXY. So this condition is sometimes is called XXY syndrome. So Klinefelter syndrome isn't it not inherited, but rather it occurs only as a result of random gametic error after consumption. So sometimes the sperm cell may having additional X chromosome and sometimes egg may have additional X chromosome. By the fusion of these gametes, so it result in the formation of XXY syndrome condition. So women who got pregnant after age of 35 are slightly more likely to have a boy with this syndrome than younger women. So normally the embryo it gets XY condition if the sperm cell having Y chromosome and egg having X chromosome. But sometimes the sperm having additional X chromosome, sometimes egg may having additional X chromosome. So this two condition it may causes Klinefelter syndrome. That means in Klinefelter syndrome, either father or mother may contribute additional X chromosome in Klinefelter syndrome patient. So Klinefelter syndrome is a syndrome caused by a numerical abnormality that affects male physical and cognitive development. Some of the features of Klinefelter syndrome. So the person with Klinefelter syndrome having tall stature and abnormal body position due to long legs, short trunk and narrow shoulder, slightly it appeared with feminized or female physique. As they grow older, they tend to become taller than average. They may have less muscle control and coordination than other boys of their age. XXY males may have weaker muscle and reduced strength. Along with it, the tendency to lose chest hair. Along with the syndrome may also causes reduced muscle mass and reduced body and facial hair and enlarged breast tissue. This phenomenon is called gynecomastia. And gynecomastia, it results from a decreased testosterone to estradiol ratio. So the such type of a Klinefelter person having small prim testis and a small penis, and also having a female type of pubic hair pattern, and most males with this condition produces a little or no sperm. Their testicles prevents them from making enough normal sperm to father children. The Klinefelter syndrome may adversely affects the testicular growth, it resulting in smaller than normal testicles, that is called hypogonadism, which can lead to low production of testosterone hormone. In this, the additional X chromosome, it interferes with the development of testicles and means they produce less testosterone. So testosterone is one of the male sex hormone and it is produced with less quantity than usual. The seminiferous tubules of testis hyalinize and fibrose, while adenomatous changes occur the leading cells. So leading cells will be changed. So this leads to impaired spermatogenesis and testosterone production. The vast majority of men who having Klinefelter syndrome are infertile and cannot father a child than usual way. The frontal baldness is absent and a poor braid growth and wide hip. Along with that, in that Klinefelter person, osteoporosis can be seen. So osteoporosis means the porous bones. Bones consist of pores, a condition where the bones become weaker later in life. So intellectual disability occur in that males with Klinefelter syndrome variants who have a high number of X chromosome. About 70% of patients have minor development and learning disabilities with Klinefelter syndrome. The treatment for this Klinefelter syndrome, it may includes the testosterone replacement therapy and fertility treatment. So this treatment, it can be stopped at puberty and can support typical body changes such as facial hair and a deeper voice. It can also help with the penis size and stronger muscle and bones, but it won't affect testicle size or fertility. So one more example for trisomy, that is Superman syndrome or Jacob syndrome. So in this Superman syndrome, it is also an example for trisomy having 47 number of chromosome, but in this the additionally one Y chromosome is present that becomes XYY. It is a condition classified as chromosomal aneuploidy. The XYY syndrome is a genetical condition in which a male has an extra Y chromosome. There are usually few symptoms with this XYY syndrome. These may include being taller than average, acne, and an increased risk of learning problems. In such persons having low muscle tone or muscle weakness called hypotonia, the person is generally otherwise normal, including normal sex development and fertility. Man with 47 chromosomes. Additionally, one Y chromosome as a XYY karyotype are fertile in split of their sex chromosomal abnormalities. Slightly become normal intelligence and extra testosterone production. The male with XYY syndrome condition is also sometimes called Jacob's syndrome because this disease is studied by one of the scientist Jacob. So XYY syndrome may include asthma, dental problems and acne. The XYY syndrome generally it is associated with aggressive behavior and antisocial behavioral problems, so that this XYY syndrome or Jacob syndrome is also called as criminal syndrome. It is studied in some of the persons who are in prison. So one of the another character of this XYY syndrome is very curved pinky finger is present. It is called clinidactyly. These are the some of the symptoms of super male, and this super male syndrome or XYY syndrome is also called as Jacob syndrome and criminal syndrome. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notifications.